Okay guys, another day, another duty not done. Naka-punch in ko guys, naka-dispense ko few patients, but everything changed when the nurse called me and told me that I had to meet with an oncologist. So, nag-shatter akong world. Wow. Na-shock ko. I was mainly shocked. I could not process the information. Kaya diba, oncology will think very, very bad things. So, maoto guys, naghila ko. I cried in the pharmacy, in the stock room. I was trying to absorb and gather myself, pero wala na ko na-gather guys. Gathering myself was impossible. So, good thing, my manager told me to go and meet the oncologist right away. So, I met with the oncologist. I did some blood tests. I gave another 5 tubes of my blood. I was supposed to give urine sample, but that is pending. And now again, my manager called me early in the morning to inform me that the doctor wanted to see me because some of the blood test results came. So she discussed with me. I thought it was going to be quick, like a 30-minute consultation discussion, but after that I needed to do an x-ray and another blood test, and then I remembered the last remaining blood test I was waiting for the rheumatologist came as well. So I thought to meet with the rheumatologist so that I will know if I need to continue my medications or not. So she stopped Reconil for me, but I still need to take the rest of the medicines because my lesion was responding to the antifungal drops, and then the steroids was helping also. But she ordered one more blood test to check for another autoimmune marker, because that specific disease also has manifestations of a positive anatiter and this plasmacytoma na ilang tawag ani guys. It's like plasma cells are growing very many here. My English is not Englishing. Pero mao to guys. So it has been a roller coaster ride for me for this past 3 days. Plus, gidugo pa jud ko guys. I'm on my period. So, like, my emotions are whoop, whoop, whoop. So, now, again, I'm gonna go home and rest. Emotionally, mentally, and physically. As in, I'm so lucky and blessed to have a good manager and good workmates. Kailan pa nalog. But yeah, I'm so thankful for them. Mga kababay. Hindi man natatanan manager na na certificate ko sa iyo ko na under. Pati ang mga workmate. Makasabot sila ba dili sila toxic or what?
Oh, nag-record lagi na. Bye guys.
Bye-bye.